Today we're learning about the smallest bones in the human body, the ear bones. In the middle ear, there are three tiny bones called the auditory ossicles, Malleus, Incus, and Stapes. First, Malleus, hammer bone. It's attached to the eardrum and picks up sound vibrations. Next is Incus, anvil bone. It connects the Malleus to the Stapes and passes the vibrations along. And finally, Stapes, stirrup bone. It's the smallest bone in the whole body and it sends sound to the inner ear. Together, these three bones amplify sound and make hearing possible. Remember MIS, Malleus, Incus, Stapes. Easy way to recall their order. That's your quick look at ear bone anatomy. Found this helpful? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medical lectures. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay learning.